this is how you get your download. So you're gonna have your quick reference guide, and you have the Treadstock link. We're gonna open that up. All right, hold on. I was already doing it. All right. So once you open it up, you want to. I don't do it like that for get an instant quote. Well, technically I do. So we're gonna browse the files, well, wherever you have the download. Okay, so these are going to be the files. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Now, this is only one middle and one sidebar, and then the bottom and the base, and then this is the top. So if you wanted 2 of the middles, you're going to get this one and this one. The middle and the sidebar, just order two of those extra. Upload. Right, so now all the files are loading. That's fine. Click next. Oh wait, go back. Hold on, let me go back. When you upload the files, if you wanted to get 2 middles, you're gonna click 2, push 2 here, and you're gonna need sidebars, 2 of them. They're the same. I just copied 1 and 2 just where I knew that I had 2 in there. They're gonna click customize your order. Now, because I added more, it's gonna be more. This guy right here is highly rated. They got 6 certified machines. You don't have to get the highly rated people. Also, it's looking in locations closest to me. So I'm in Texas, so it's going to look in Texas. But if you're somewhere else, look somewhere else. Also, on the side right here, you can decide what colors you want. So I'm going to pick PLA, but I'm going to do PLA Plus. And then I'm going to see all the colors that they have. And then also when you go back to your sheet, you'll see the infill, layer height, no supports, right? All of that is there. So you can copy that right from the sheet. Now, we're getting more because it's more because I added more pieces and then I'm picking a more expensive PLA. But what you can do is you can go to each person and you can click get a quote and you can add your files actually here. What is it? Yeah. Add my files here, upload, and then I can put all that stuff in there and ask them and tell them how much I'm generally interested in paying, and they will get back to you within 24 hours after you do the quote. So you can do it that way. If you know somebody local that does it, use them. It's not a big deal. Also, if you want, you can also go on Etsy and find you a printer on Etsy. I would just say check the reviews so that you can see how people are feeling about how they print. A lot of times when you do those, like these are like little independent people. So same thing. You can do it at a print farm. Really, I'm suggesting Treadstock, especially if you're trying to if you're going to produce it and sell it to other nail techs, which is you have the commercial license for the file, you can do that. But when you go to Etsy, who did I use? Oops. I'm just going to type in Etsy. And I know who I use, the Jordan family. Jordan Company. Oops. This guy here. So I've used him. And he's going to give you a quote based on how many pieces you want. Now, when I had it printed with 2 extra middles, I added later. It still came with $120. But you can print as many as you want. So you go to his thing. Click it. So for a free quote, it's going to say 20 cents. Don't do that. What you're going to do is, because he's a star seller, he's pretty good. What you're going to do is you're going to actually talk to them. Let me make this bigger so I can see. He does the PLA. He's pretty good with it. Just hit the message him. So when you hit message seller there, then you can actually talk to him and tell him XYZ, this is what I want. And you can send him pictures of the PLA that you would like. They do a really good job. So that's another option too. it's a small business. I do like them also. So yeah, that is exactly how you would print it.